Gardening is a rewarding endeavor, but to achieve lush, vibrant plants, understanding the intricacies of fertilization is essential. One of the most common questions among gardeners is, how often should I fertilize my plants? The answer, however, is not one size fits all. It depends on various factors such as plant type, soil quality, and environmental conditions. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the art and science of fertilizing plants, providing insights into the frequency and methodology that will help you nurture a thriving garden. Know your plants. To determine the ideal fertilization frequency, start by understanding the specific needs of your plants. Different plants have varying nutritional requirements at different stages of growth. Leafy greens, for instance, may need more nitrogen, while flowering plants might benefit from a balanced fertilizer. Research the specific nutritional needs of your plants and tailor your fertilization approach accordingly. Soil health matters. Healthy soil is the foundation of a flourishing garden. Before deciding on a fertilization schedule, assess your soil's composition and nutrient levels. Conduct a soil test to identify deficiencies and excesses. This information will guide you in selecting the right fertilizer and adjusting the frequency of application. Well-balanced soil reduces the risk of over-fertilization, which can be harmful to plants. Understanding fertilizer types. Fertilizers come in various formulations, including granular, liquid, and slow-release options. Each type has its advantages and considerations. Granular fertilizers are easy to apply, but may take time to release nutrients. Liquid fertilizers act faster, but may require more frequent applications. Slow-release fertilizers provide a steady nutrient supply over an extended period. Choose the type that aligns with your plant's needs and your preferred maintenance routine. Seasonal adjustments. Plants experience different growth phases throughout the year. Consider adjusting your fertilization schedule based on these cycles. Spring is a time of active growth, making it ideal for a balanced fertilizer. Summer may require more frequent applications due to increased nutrient demand. In the fall, focus on strengthening roots, and in winter, reduce or eliminate fertilization to allow plants to enter a dormant state. Observation and adaptation. Pay close attention to your plant's response to fertilization. Signs of nutrient deficiency or excess, such as yellowing leaves or stunted growth, can indicate the need for adjustments. Be prepared to adapt your fertilization routine based on the specific requirements of your garden. Regular observation is crucial for maintaining a healthy balance and preventing potential issues. Environmental factors. Environmental conditions play a significant role in determining fertilization frequency. Factors such as temperature, rainfall, and sunlight affect nutrient absorption and utilization. During periods of intense heat or heavy rainfall, plants may require more frequent fertilization to compensate for nutrient leaching. Consider these external factors when planning your fertilization schedule. Achieving a thriving garden involves a delicate balance of science and art, and fertilizing your plants is a crucial aspect of this process. By understanding the unique needs of your plants, assessing soil health, choosing the right fertilizer, and adapting to seasonal and environmental changes, you can develop a customized fertilization strategy. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of how often to fertilize. It's a dynamic process that requires attentiveness and a willingness to adjust based on the ever-changing needs of your garden.